Have you ever dreamt about something so horrific and terrible that wakes you up in the middle of the night and then you end up sweating? Well, I believe all of you did. As a matter of fact, for humans, we dream about 3 to 5 times a night. But you may wonder, why do we dream? Does it serve any purpose? Well, today I'm going to tell you all about it. Dreams for survival theory. It tells us that the reason that we dream is that we want to reconsider, reprocess essential information so that we can consolidate our memory. And it is also closely related to neuroscience, which is about our brain. But what about cell? So cell is the smallest unit of our life. And in our brains, we have a lot of brain cells, and we call them neurons. The number of neurons in our brains is uncountable, just like all the sand you can find on the beach. And there are also different types of neurons that communicate with each other. So it forms an intricate and complicated nervous system, just like when you have all the cables connected to your computer. But what about the mechanism behind it? Well, neurons first move spontaneously in pons, which is a part of the brain that helps with memory and perception. Then the neurons will move to the largest part of the brain, which is cerebral cortex, to synthesize signals and try to interpret them. Finally, different parts of the brain will collaborate with each other to form a storyline, and that will be our dream. And some may wonder, what is nightmare? Well, nightmare is an unpleasant dream that causes negative emotional response from the mind. And it usually involves situation of danger and discomfort. And the reason is that a part of our brain, which is prefrontal cortex, which is the front part of the cerebral cortex, showed a decreased activity of neurons, which means that the neurons move much slower in prefrontal cortex. And this allows us to interact with the dream without thinking what may happen in reality. And that's why sometimes cannot separate dreams from reality. That is also the same reason why when we dream, we often dream about something so ridiculous or absurd, but still we believe in it. So next time when you dream, whether it's nightmare or pleasant dreams, remember that dream is good for you as it helps you strengthen your memory. Thank you.